Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. Today it's 11:30 p.m. and then I'm gonna make a cake. It's called Ciambella, but I'm not gonna do the Ciambella. I'm gonna do the normal. But I'm gonna use the Ciambella. Please do not forget to subscribe and click and do whatever you like, you know. And now I'm just preparing the stuff. I'm not gonna give you the ingredients because secret recipe. But yeah, and then but 3 eggs I'm gonna use. And I have some flour, I have some sugars, and what else I have? Oh, I am in my friend's kitchen. His name is Boo. I'm not gonna. Maybe I'll show you him when he will taste it. Maybe if he is a good boy. And turn on the
oven.
We had a problem with here, but we fought a little bit, but we are fine again.
It's actually off.
It's off. We have to turn it on. Correct? I don't know how this works. Can you please help?
I will.
Perfect!
You can invite me.
Okay. So first, do we have another cup?
Yes, I'll get it for you.
Like the same
Same bitch.
kind of.
We don't. Take this, bitch. The other ones are doing
I don't know. So I'm gonna prepare. Eggs. You don't do that. I'm talking to the camera, please. Do you have a cornflour?
Yeah.
And do you want to put yogurt or milk in there? You don't like yogurt?
Yeah, so we don't need, I don't think we have a lot.
Oh, okay.
You want some yogurt?
No, it's
I don't think enough. Here you go.
perfect. Okay, now get out of my video.
I'm preparing the ground for you, man. A little bit, but us.
You have a baking paper.
You know how this one works? So you just
Yeah,
you
but
this.
you put the paper in there. It
You
will
have the paper or the butter?
the paper is better. What is the? Is this what do you call this? Yeah, is this the one?
A spatula.
Spatula.
Indeed.
Indeed. So what I did is I mixed everything together, which I won't tell you the ingredients yet. If you are a good boy, if you see,
That looks yummy.
it's really good. You know what I mean?
It does, really good.
And then we put it where? Ooh, girl. Oh, when I was growing up, when my aunt or my sisters, when they used to cook bake this cake, the best part would be this bit, you know? You would get it and then it would it makes the best. It's really good. Anyways, I can't put it there. I think this is the best bet. Forget about the cake. But hey, let's be civilized. We put down here. We bring with the chocolate. We have some cheap chocolate.
Chocolat.
Chocolate.
What do we do with the chocolat?
The chocolate. Very good question. So let's put this much. Do you know what I mean? And then do we have a? Okay.
Look, this farmer situation, I called to get everything I'm entitled to. I couldn't believe
The flour, you don't want to get it waste. We'll do the same thing with the nuts. Do you know what I mean? Then Get rid of the excess flour. And then how good this will taste, do you think?
Very.
Do you know what I mean?
That means I can finally change my Medicare plan, right?
Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. And then it goes in.
Remind us the temperature.
200 tonai
Perfect. For how long?
for, we will put it for 40 minutes from now. And then we will check it in the fridge. Now then. But for doing that, I think I will. Come, can you film here? Ooh, girl.
And the cake is in.
And then the cake is in. See you in 40 minutes. Bye. Now we're gonna check on the cake and let's see how it looks. Girl, come here, please. Girl, look! Oh my God! Ah!
Now scrambling to change course on tone and health precautions. First, plans to convert second debate to
Now we're gonna check the cake. Let's see how far. Where is she? Where is it? Woo! I think this is done.
Which way did you close it?
That way.
Okay, good.
You told me that way, no? Okay, so this is for the cake. Welcome back. So the cake is done. Let me take it out. Voila la.
Wow. Wow.
Empty. Nothing.
Wow.
Cooked like a butter.
Wow. And it smells amazing.
Yeah, we will let it.
Sit for a while.
No, I think we have to take it out.
Sure.
Oh my God! Look at this. I think it is gorgeous, no?
Yeah. Does it taste good?
It tastes really good. Everything is clean. We don't need to do anything else. I will ask my friend Davide, like, to be the judge to taste this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Hey.
So this is the moment of truth.
Period of time since he last debated. I mean, he became
We're gonna try it.
might have been affected when he was on the debate stage last time with Joe Biden. I mean, most recently, he was calling for Joe Biden to be investigated and have charges brought against him by his own.
No, it's
general.
really.
Do you see
It's
some
good.
sort of change in
If you don't believe me,
for this president on
let's
this
ask this dude.
It is hard to see.
Hi, dude. What?
I agree with
What do you think of the cake?
It's so good, it's amazing. It's very, very good.
There are very few
Why are you talking like that?
decided right now. Polls. There are very few movable parts left. We're a very polarized country.
Tell the truth.
And a third of the country
fabulous.
will have voted effectively by tonight, or a third of the expected.
I love it.
So there aren't that many movable parts.
We're gonna add a little
He has
jam.
Points, and he has a very short playing field here. So even if he behaves well, that is a difficult
So good,
task.
no?
If he
The texture is
behaves well, this is a
perfect.
task, for him.
What can I do? I am ID number
He
one.
in his own mind
Oh my
believes
God.
he has a majority out there, and he just needs to mobilize them. And the way he sees mobilize, when in fact he
Okay, so this was the video for today, and I hope you liked it, you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and do whatever you like.
his rally.
This is my plants.
And you know,
Not
the
my
thing
plants.
is, what he's gotta
It's
do
like
Boys
my
with plans.
is make Joe Biden completely unacceptable.
Bye.
He's just
Mwah.
not an